Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to solve emo call reconnecting problem. When try to call show this problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Following all steps, do not skip. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or airplane mode. Just few seconds. Check internet connection on your phone. Go to Play Store. Click on search bar. Search emo. Update emo app if available on Play Store or App Store. Make sure update emo app latest version. Tap on hold emo. Click on app info or I button. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Go to emo. Connecting problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.